This is all you need for your recipe for the sausages. So here is the meat-free polony fries brand, and then you just slice it into long pieces. And here we have black pepper, pink salt, nutritional yeast, olive oil, liquid smoke, mushroom soya sauce, maple syrup, and a bit of garlic. Mix all of your ingredients now to make a really nice sauce for your sausages. Now we just have to dip the sausages into our really nice sauce. Just slice some thick tomatoes and put them on your baking tray. Sprinkle some really nice vegan cheese on top. Original flavor grated cheese. Now, you just put it in your oven like this.
To grill, eh?
To grill, yeah. You just turn all of your bacon over. Now we just garnish it with pepper all around. It's just one tomato on top to make it nice.
Very proud of River. He has come up with this incredible breakfast. We have fresh orange juice with a little hint of lemon. We've got grilled tomatoes with vegan cheese melted on top. We've got vegan bacon. We've got tofu scramble and a little bit of toast on the side. Well done.
Wow, well first of all, thank you so much River for inviting me to this brunch. It's absolutely delicious. The tomatoes, the cheese, the flavour is 10 out of 10. The spinach, I love all the spinach and the tofu, very nice. And the bacon, very tasty. Yes, thank you so much. I give you 10 out of 10 as well.
My favourite is the bacon, because it's much better than normal bacon, and it's tasty.
Tasty, very tasty.
Can I take your plate?
With pleasure. Don't hurt yourself.
Yes, June. Of course I'll take your plate. Then you just pinch it.
Did he pinch you?
Yes. Have you finished yet?
Right, where are you going to start with this cleanup?
On to the washing.